Okay, hello. So, what we're going to do right now is we are going to be creating a GPT. All right. What we're going to do with this GPT is take this tool that I developed to help an individual know which AI software should I be using and why should I be using it. So the first thing that we need to do is we need a prompt. And the second thing that we are going to do after we create the prompt is we're going to upload a copy of the image that I created. That's the diagram that is a decision tree. The decision tree just goes from high level, what your goal is for AI, all the way down to what tools you need to be using. So it's logic and reasoning basically to help you figure out what tool to use. There are so many tools, and it would cost you a lot of money in subscriptions to use everything to get your business together, right? So we don't want to do that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to ask ChatGPT to create us a prompt. Create a prompt that I can use as a set of requirements to produce a GPT model that analyzes what a user wants to use AI for, and through deductive reasoning suggests the best course of action, including tools, pricing, etc. Please use the attached diagram to formulate any logic around the decision model. We are going to keep going with this if we need to. So I've already added it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let's go into a Word document. Okay. What is going on here? We're going to do a new one. You saw my notes there for another class. We're going to do a new one. We're going to take a landscape document, okay, and then we're going to drop this image in here. Oh wait, it's not letting me do it. I hate when that happens. Paste it. There it is. Okay, so it's pretty big, so let's reduce it down. Oh man. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me do something real quick. Hold on. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so get out of there. So this is what it looks like. This is an AI decision tree so that you can select the best AI tool for your needs. So the first question up at the top here is, what is your goal? Then it's going to branch down into two areas. Either you want to use AI to optimize operations or scale business, or you want to use it for creativity, productivity, or learning. Those are basically like the two areas where you would use it. Unless you want to do coding or etc., those you really don't need a decision tree for, because coding AI tools are very different and separate and unique all on their own. So from there, it branches out into use AI for for text generation, image creation, video editing, and then that would be kind of like the end of that thing. And then automate tasks, emails, scheduling, and then as you can see, it goes down into these various loops. So this one is boost productivity with virtual assistants, AI-powered scheduling. The tools you would use for that are ChatGPT or Notion AI. Streamline with AI, this section here. Repetitive tasks, process automation. The tools you would use for that are Zapier and Make. And then down here, streaming from using AI tools to optimize operations and scale business. We have leverage AI for business insights, predictive analytics, and then it's going to go down into analyze AI-driven trends, customer behavior, sales data, and then the tools for that are Tableau and IBM Watson. Okay, now we're getting into some of the heavy hitters. Okay, let me see. I can't move my screen. I think it's frozen. Okay, anyway, down here into deploy AI for customer interactions, you got automated support, and this goes into use AI chatbots to handle FAQs, provide instant support. The tools are Intercom and Drift, and the tools down there at the bottom include Midjourney and Canva AI. So on and so forth. So we're going to go out of here because this is actually frozen and you don't really need to see the whole thing. So let's just go back over to the GPT. So we put that in and we're going to go. Let's see what the prompt it gives us. It says, here is a structured prompt that you can use as a set of requirements to produce a GPT model that analyzes what a user wants to use AI for and suggests the best course of action, including recommended tools, pricing, and implementation steps. Okay, so it's currently building out the requirements. I don't think this first version is going to cut it, so we're going to have to come back and do it again. So while it's working, let's kind of read through what's happening here. It's giving us an objective. It says prompt for GPT model AI decision making assistant. Objective, develop a GPT based AI consultant that helps users determine the best AI tools based on their specific needs. The model should follow a deductive reasoning approach similar to the AI decision tree provided in the attached diagram to suggest optimal solutions. It should also provide pricing details and implementations recommendations when possible. So here is the actual set of requirements. All right. So what we got here is, first up, the primary goal. Ask the user what their main objective is. So this is exactly what I wanted. Ask the user what their main objective is. The objective is the purpose, right? The goal that we had at the top. Optimize operations or scale business, and then enhance creativity, so on and so forth. So then the specific use cases based on their goal. Refine the question to determine what type of AI functionality they require. For business operations, these are the things that could be listed. Where'd it go? And then for creativity and productivity, these are the things that could be listed. So budget constraints. Ask the user about their budget for AI tools. Free, open source, low, mid, enterprise. Technical expertise. So assess whether the user has technical knowledge, so on and so forth, because that is really something to speak of. Everybody says AI tools are easy, 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 but what if you need a certain level of knowledge or skill to utilize it? Preferred AI integration method, standalone tools, API integrations, or custom built solutions. We're going to assume that everything is going to be a standalone tool. So AI decision logic, deductive reasoning, so on and so forth. And these are example outputs from the GPT model. Scenario 1, business automation user inputs, goal, optimize operations. Use case, automate tasks, email, scheduling, budget, low cost, expertise, no code user. GPT response. Recommended AI tools for automation. Zapier, free paid plans, automates repetitive tasks, etc. Make formerly Integromat. I never knew Make was called that. Anyway, implementation plan. Sign up for Zapier and Make and connect your email. Create automation workflows. Monitor and optimize automation. So it gives us some more scenarios. So now you see what this is. And let's read the final note, which says the GPT model should provide users with tool comparison, pricing tips, and step-by-step guides if users are uncertain about their needs. Actually, this is pretty good. I don't think I need to do anything to this at all. So what we're going to do is take this and then copy it. All right, copy. And actually, it doesn't take this long if you're not explaining it. So there. So all we need is that from there to there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to, first of all, let's move this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. So we're going to go to, actually, we got to move this to, or do we? So we're going to go here and then here. Let's go. Where's my thingy? My GPTs. Okay. And then here, create a GPT. Okay, let's move this guy. And then we're going to paste in our requirements. That's it. Okay. So now we're going to send this up. Let's see what it does. Okay, I'm excited. I'm super excited. So while it's thinking, I'm going to pause. Okay, so it came back and it said, I've set up your AI decision-making assistant to help users find the best AI tools based on their needs, budget, and expertise. Do you want any refinements, such as more emphasis on emerging AI tools or additional customization options? We could go back at any time and fix this, but let's run through the scenario in this test mode and see what it does. So, it goes, I need an AI tool for automating my business. What AI tools can help with content creation? Which AI solutions are best for customer something or the other? And how can I integrate AI into my workflow? All right. So let's put in here, let's see this. I think I want to refine these questions, honestly. What type of task are you looking to automate? What's your budget? How technical are you? And do you want a standalone tool, an API for integration, or a custom built solution? See, I don't like this already because I'm going to say, ask one question at a time, and then based on the answer, move on to the next question. So let's put that in this GPT. Ask the user one question at a time and number the answers so the user can reply with a number instead of text. Then, after the previous question has been answered, present the next question. So it's thinking. Okay. Okay, So let's see what it does this time. Let's see, it's asking. Yes, so it did it. So it said, I chose that option and it says, which best describes your goal? So I'm going to put 3. I want to improve productivity. So got it, you want to improve productivity. Now, what type of productivity enhancements are you looking for? I'm looking for 2. Personal productivity. All right, awesome. You're looking for personal productivity tools, so on and so forth. Now, what specific features are most important to you? AI assistant, smart scheduling, reminders, focus, distraction management, automated note taking, and summarization. Let's go with number 1. If it's none of those options, you could be able to respond with whatever you want. Okay, great choice. You're looking for an AI assistant to help with general tasks, reminders, and research. Now, what's your budget? Okay, so let's go with 1 because we want to see what's free out there. So it says, got it. You're looking for a free AI assistant to help with general task, reminders, and research. Here are the best options. Okay, top free assistants: ChatGPT, free OpenAI. Pros: it's conversational. Cons: limited to GPT 3.5. If you want to use GPT-4, it requires a paid plan, and then it gives you the link. And then it goes Gemini. I do remember when Gemini was barred. And it gives you a link, and then Copilot, and then Anthropic. Okay, all great options. It says, would you like a recommendation based on a specific use case like work, study, or personal life? No. So what I want to say is, after the tool options are provided, this GPT should provide the user with an implementation plan once they select the tool they wish to use. So we're just adding that to the requirements because as you're working through this, you're thinking through, what do I really want this GPT to do? How do I want it to interact with the user? So on and so forth. So there it goes. It's updated. Now, I don't really feel like going all the way back through this thing, so I'm going to pause this and speed through. Okay, here we are, and I like this one a lot better. It's asking about pricing, so we're going to go ahead and say we want number 1 for free. Okay, now it's asking about our expertise level. So we're going to say number 1, we don't really know how to code. So it's got, now we're cooking. Yes, so it's got all the tools here that we can use, and then it's telling us what they do. Yes, so let's select one. Which one do we want to go with? So Google Trends, ChatGPT free, Answer the Public, or Monkey Learn that has a free plan. So let's choose 4 because I've never heard of it. So now it's giving us a step-by-step guide to use Monkey Learn free plan. I'm pretty happy with this. So I think I'm going to keep it like this and just update it later if I need to, okay? So this is good. So we tested it and it says, let me know if you need anything further. So now it's giving you the step-by-step guide on how to use Monkey learns free plan. Okay. And it narrowed your request all the way from your high level goal to the tool you wanted to do within the budget you wanted and your skill level and everything in between. Okay, that was superb. So now what we need to do is we're going to configure. These are all of the things that turn into requirements. So, and the capabilities that you're using are web search, Canvas, and DALL-E image generator. We don't need to create a new action right now. We don't need to create images, although I do have a GPT that does create images. Okay, and we can go ahead and save this because we like it. So this is the name of our product, but let's give it a better name. What should we call it? I don't know. It says AI decision making assistant. That doesn't sound right, huh? AI. Let's go here. Let's call it for now AI tool selector. AI tool selector for beginners. No, this could be for anybody. Let's do it for everyone. Oh, you know what we could put in the front? Easy AI tool selector for everyone. Guides users through AI tool selections and implementation. And then these are the instructions. So everything is there. We're out of configure. We're into create. We are kind of done with this. So let's see if we can save it down. So it's in draft, it says. All right, no, let's go create. So we go to create. And we can share this with anyone with the link, or we could put it in the GPT store. Should we put it in the GPT store? We could do that. And then other people would use it. Oh, it makes me nervous though. I'm going to just share it with anyone with the link. And I'm going to give you all the link, okay? Save it. We can always go back and change it. All right. I'm pretty happy with it. Now, here's the link. I'm going to copy it. Now let's view it. Here it is. We got to give it a better picture. So we'll do that one later. So it's published. Right here you can see it's published, y'all. Okay, that was it. 23 minutes. That's not bad. I'm definitely going to chop this down for the video, but dope. I'm so excited. All right. That was the lab. This was a long lab, but it was worth it, right? Okay, bye.